Hello, welcome to Cooking with Extension. I'm Joanne Vann, Family and Consumer Science Agent for the University of Arkansas Division of Agriculture, Research and Extension in Clark County, Arkansas. Today, I have a few tips for you for using herbs. Herbs are a great way to flavor foods while reducing salt for those of us that need a low sodium diet. So we're going to talk about a few tips that will help us. First, I want to talk about storing fresh herbs. I bought both of these yesterday, and this one I just put in the refrigerator, and you can see that it's already wilty and not looking so hot. This one, I cut the stems diagonally, placed in the cup of water with about an inch of water to cover the bottoms of the stems. And you can see that it is vibrant and fluffy. This will last much longer in the refrigerator than just placing them in there in the bag. Once you have your water done, you simply put a bag over the top to help control the humidity and to protect them from anything else that's in the refrigerator. It will save you a lot of time and money when you're buying your fresh herbs. If you are choosing to grow your own, the best time of day to pick those is in the morning. That's when the flavor is most potent. And you would simply just remove the little number of leaves that you need for the recipe that you're preparing and chop, dice, however you need to do it. When cooking with herbs, sometimes the recipe will call for ground herbs. In this example, let's just say it had 1 tablespoon, but you have fresh basil you want to substitute instead. You'll use 3 times the amount of fresh as you would dried or ground, and vice versa. If a recipe calls for a fresh herb and you don't have any, you can go to the dried or ground version, but you'll cut it by 1/3. Thank you for joining us for Cooking with Extension. We hope these tips will help you and that you will find new ways to cook with herbs to reduce sodium in your diet and increase the great flavors of the dishes that you make. In addition to recipes, we have growing fact sheets on how to grow herbs at home, either in the ground or in containers. So check out the link to our website for more information.